Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose system, and here we've got languages and input. Click on languages, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English applied. Now let's click on add a language. And here we've got the full list of available languages which we can choose. Let me pick something, for example, maybe this one. And as you can see, it is immediately added to our list. If you want to set it as a main language, then simply tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, it immediately changes. If you want to get back to English, then simply click on languages again. Click on English, tap, hold, and drag it. As you can see, it also immediately changes. If you want to remove some languages because you do not need them, then simply tap on this three dots icon, click on remove, and click on one you want to remove. Now let's choose the trash bin icon, click on OK, and as you can see here, we've got only English language. So that's all. This is how to change language in your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.